I worked at a mafia nightclub in Youngstown, Ohio. I was 19. I was 19 years old, right? And I didn't know shit about the mafia. My father was the baddest motherfucker I'd ever seen. So the mafia didn't mean shit to me. I did not relate to the mafia. Right? And I worked with this lady, Satin Doll. She was the star of the show. Beautiful black stripper, right? Because usually in those days, they had like, in clubs, they had a singer and a stripper and an MC. I was the MC. And she was the first black star I ever met, Satin Doll. Jack, because Duke Ellington had written a tune about her. You know, that's what she used to dance to and act. She was beautiful. She was 60 then. Oh, this bitch was fine though, man. I'm not lying. Lena Horne didn't have shit on her. And she was crying backstage, you know. I gotta get to Buffalo, they won't pay me. I said, who won't pay you? Club owners won't. I said, oh, that motherfucker gonna pay me. Bet that. And now, this is how ignorant I was. I had a cap pistol. You know them blank starter pistols? I busted into the office with this motherfucker in my, all right, give me the money, motherfucker. Doing my best black shit, you know. You know that shit usually scare Whitey to death. And these motherfuckers didn't do nothing. And I'm sure that those men are sitting in that room today laughing. Because that's what this dude, he just started laughing. This fucking kid. Hey, wait a minute. Hey, Tony, come here. Wait a minute, Rich, do the gun again. Hey, Tony, come here. Stick up. This fucking kid, come here, you fucking kid. He's got a pair of goozies on him, Fucking kid, come here, goddamn. They like to hug you and rub you. Come here, fucking. And grab your face, you got them. No, sitting there, This fucking kid got some goozies. Hey, move. And they always say shit you don't understand. You know, like, hey, you want a little cosino with me? Hey, Paolo, fix him a little monosalad. Put some struzzi on. Fry it up. They like fried foods. Fucking kid, he come in there. He come in, he had a gun, he fucking kid. Non ci prende my gun, Pay everybody off, pay them off. It's all right, they're gonna have time. They paid everybody off, let everybody go, and kept me. Like a pet. I fucking like this kid, this fucking... You got family? Well, you got family now. Who is it? Carmine, tell him I call him back. Tell him it's a stick up. And these motherfuckers start telling murder stories. Hey, you remember when Guzzi, hey, you remember when I made my fucking bones? Me, I had to go in. It was Cleveland, right? Fucking Teamster. Big mouth, hurt a lot of people, right? You know, ice pick's my thing, Rich. So we fucking had to drive down, me, Johnny Salami, the Gabuzzo brothers. They own the funeral parlor. You carry, we bury. Come here, you fucking kid. So we take this jerk off out bowling, you know, drive him around, get him a few drinks. Say, hey, let's get some bras, right? A little motel we had set up. Remember the Johnny? So we take him around. He gets kind of stoned, drops his glass. I say, now, I pop him with the fucking ice pick, right? I'm popping this cocksucker, blood squirting every which way. And I'm stabbing. He's, oh God, don't kill me. Oh, fuck you, you guinea cocksucker. And the fucking ice pick breaks. I'm standing there with a fucking piece of wood in my hand. I said, Johnny Salami, what do I do? Johnny says, wait till it melts, asshole. Those were the good old days. What's the matter, Rich? You don't look so good. Hey, it's Paolo. Give me a little Sinini Pro. You got a way home? You want us to give you a ride?